Hello, it's Graeme from Frontenac Cycle. Today I'm going to be talking to you about your housing. No, not where you live. The things that hold your cables in place. So you have two different types of housing. Three if you include hydraulic housing, but we're not going to be talking about that today. We're going to be talking about shift housing and brake cable housing. And so the difference between the two, shift housing has strands that run along the length of the housing, and brake housing has one coil that coils up and around the housing. So this is a piece of gear housing that we took off of a customer's repair, and what had happened, I'll show you, there's actually two things that are wrong with this housing. One is, the most obvious is that it's broken here, and that was the result of her handlebars getting twisted 360 degrees around during a crash, and it actually just ripped and bent the housing, exposing the wires there. The other thing that's wrong with it, and this would have likely been from in the factory or is possibly a result of the twisting, but you can see that the strands of the metal housing are actually above where the rubber coating is, and when you're putting on the ferrule, things are not going to sit nicely inside there. So that would have to be chopped to be nice and even, like this guy here. So once you have your gear housing cut properly at a perpendicular angle, let's talk about ferrules. You do need to put a ferrule on to get it into the shifter, and we do always recommend that you use a metal ferrule over the stock plastic ones. Obviously the plastic is good if that's all you have, but the metal ones will create a more solid interface between the housing and the shifter that it's going into, or the derailleur, which will equal a better shift. The other housing that I have here in front of me is from a different customer and is brake housing. Now this housing is very old, and so probably needed replacing a while ago, but as you can see, this housing has snapped, just showing the wear and the age of it, and inside the cable isn't moving freely, it's rusted and seized inside, so replacing the cable and the housing all in one shot. All right, so if you are having issues with your shifting and braking performance, please do a visual inspection of the housing and the cable first. If you see cracks or bends, you should probably bring it in for replacement, and switching out your plastic ferrule to a metal ferrule is recommended as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe down below for more awesome content. That's weird. Jazz hands.